Right. Each expression, write an expression that uses both multiplication and addition or subtraction to describe the total fraction of the area of each figure that is shaded. Explain your reasoning, then compute that fraction and put your answer in simplest terms. Okay, so for this one that has some green shading, what I'm noticing is that these vertical pieces are fifths. So this is one, two, three, four, five equal pieces vertically. So I'm going to use fifths because those are the equal pieces in the picture. So this green triangle over here on the left, it is exactly half of 3/5. Okay, so this whole area, 1, 2, 3/5, it's been cut in half. So I have 1/2 of 3/5. Okay, and then this green area over here on the right, it is half of 1/5. So this last rectangle on the right, that's 1/5, and we've cut it in half. So I have half of 1/5. Oops, 1/5. So that is 3/10 plus 1/10, which is 4/10. I can reduce that to 2/5. Okay, so for the blue one, I have this is cut into quarters. So 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. So over here, I have half of a quarter shaded. So 1/2 of 1/4. Right? And then this shaded part, okay, so I have this is a quarter. This whole thing is a quarter. And I've broken this quarter into quarters and then one of those quarters into thirds. So this is 1/3 of 1/4 of 1/4. Okay, so this is 1/3 of 1/4 of 1/4. And that comes out to 1/8 plus 1 over, oh, 3 times 4 is 12 times 4 is 48. Okay, and then to get a common denominator, I would multiply the 1/8 by 6 over 6. So I have 6 over 48 plus 1 over 48, which is 7 over 48.